In the Bravo Liner rehabilitation process, first, the two-component epoxy resin is mixed. The seamless Bravo Liner is filled with it and it is impregnated to the approximate wall thickness. Then the liner is inserted into the inversion drum. The end of the Bravo Liner is turned over and fastened on the inversion bend. The Bravo Liner method can also be used in confined conditions out of the cellar. By means of air or water pressure, the liner is inverted into the faulty pipe. Here, the flexible Bravo Liner adapts perfectly to the old pipe, even where there are bends up to 90 degrees and up to 2 changes in dimension. After the resin is cured, a completely new pipe is created in the old pipe. All existing and also potential damage is permanently removed. In most cases, the entire rehabilitation is completed within a day.